How's it going? Welcome to Ace Custom Cars again. Thanks for tuning in on the channel. We're going to set this cowl in, get it all welded up. Got all the prep work underneath done. Looks pretty good. So we'll get this welded in, and I'll bring you in on the clamping process for right now. More likely we're going to have to do a little bit of massaging, but I think we'll get it. Hope I got enough vice grips. This is the bad one, I think. It clamps. Looks like it fits really nice. Little bit of trimming. All you have to do is wear out a little bit of piece, a little bit right here on the edge. Other than that, everything seems to be really good. The panel seems to fit really, really good. I'm actually pretty impressed on how it fits. So. Okay, where's the rest of my vice grips? I got a couple up there too still. That's not bad. Not bad at all, if I might say so myself. Looks like it fits really nice. Alright. I'll bring you guys back in as soon as we get ready to weld it. I don't think you gotta sit here and watch me get all ready. So. Woo! Let's go. Come on, baby. Work with me! Work with me! And then these damn handles are so freaking heavy.
Which handles? Oh, the spot welding handles?
Yeah. They don't look like they hit, man. That's what scares me. That's what worries me, is that, you know, I don't get a good bond and then they take off the vice grip
and it pops.
And it pops. So, I do notice that if there's a little bit of a gap in between the metals,
yeah,
it like blows through. Seriously. I don't see a burn on the other side. That's what scares me.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's welding. Gotta do what I did to the rocker panels.
What?
3 spots on every one.
Oh.
Kind of stinks. My wife goes, electric bill!
It's fucking high as hell.
Oh, yeah, it's high. It was high last time. That's because I had a Dawson in here, though.
Yeah, that too.
Okay, here we go. Back to welding. Got my nephew over there in the corner grinding. So if you hear a couple of curse words, leave me a comment. Because him and my nephew, my friend and my son, they don't know how to not swear. Once this machine is dialed in, man, this thing is great, man, but dialing it in is not fun.
Okay.
Yeah, it is, truthfully. Here we go, guys. Dash cowl's already welded up. All nice factory welds. Looks like it's always been there. Came out really nice. Like the fitment. A little bit of trimming, but it laid out pretty nice. You know. So and it looks all good now. Sorry about, I had a little bit of trouble with my camera. I lost batteries, and then my battery was out inside the house. Alright guys, so this is Ace Custom Cars. Like, subscribe, send me a comment. 73 Camaro build. It's coming along, Almost ready for sandblasting. Peace out.